by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Steyn's Mica build, Mossel Bay in the Western Cape.
Our store's name is Steyn's Mica build. We are situated in Mossel Bay. We supply a lot of contractors in Mossel Bay. We only stock Plascon paints and we only stock quality hardware supplies. What makes me proud of my store is we are all about customer service and we always go the extra mile for our clients. What makes our hardware the best hardware in Mossel Bay is the fact that we are all about customer service and we always make sure that we give the best service each and every time. What makes my store the best in Mossel Bay about Plascon products is the fact that we have exceptional top quality products and the fact that we provide the customer with quality on-point advice. What I like about Plascon is that they never turn their back on you. Whenever there's a customer issue or there's site inspections that needs to be done, we just pick up the phone, we call them, they are there. They sort out the problem for us. That's why Plascon is the best. My favorite Plascon product will definitely be Plascon Velvet water base. It's an awesome product. You can basically put it onto any substrate without a primer. Certain areas you need a primer, you can put it directly onto existing enamel, which makes the product exceptional. My DIY tip would definitely be rather spend more time on your prep work to make sure that your prep work is done and then you won't have any repairs on any job or any project.
Today's Handy Heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.